kasangkayan, I really wanted to have more varieties of Portulaca grandiflora in my garden. The problem is, again, I'm leaving mid of August and I think I will be away from home for 2 to 3 months, and that's quite long. Mga kasangkayan, fellow plant lovers and gardeners, mo pay nga kuluphayo nga tanan or good afternoon to all of you. As usual, this is Wengs na hindi nagsasawa sa pagsasabing please, let us continue to green and color the earth. So this afternoon is going to be a very colorful afternoon because of this Portulaca grandiflora or moss rose that is blooming in my mini garden. Actually, this is my first time to plant a Portulaca or moss rose, but look at this, it's already blooming, and the blooms or the flowers are quite striking. I mean, the color of the blooms is striking. So this is what is lovable or adorable about the Portulaca grandiflora. They are very easy to plant, to grow, and to care kasi very low maintenance lang siya and it grow easily and fast. So this one, I planted this actually only 3 or 4 days ago, but look at this, may mga bulaklak na siya. So ganyan naman talaga pag when you planted a Portulaca grandiflora cuttings with buds. Talagang after 2, 3, or 4 days and the blooms will start to open. So, as I have said earlier, I planted this only 3 or 4 times, 4 days ago. But look at this. Parang ano na siya, they are already well established in this spot. So this is the very first moss rose that I have in this garden, but actually may ano pa ako doon, may isa pa ako doon na halos sabay ko lang itinanim nitong nitong moss rose. So this one in pots is the very first moss rose that I have in my garden, and I have another one here. This is the yellow ones, pero this is another variety. So I just don't know if this is a species or a hybrid. So look at this. This one I also planted this about 3 days ago na kasama siya dito sa mga plant na to with, I think, I don't know what is the name of this plant. Siguro yung mga Indian vloggers will know the name of this plant. This one, this is a Torrenia plant or wishbone plant. I just don't know what is the color of the flowers of this. As you can see, tumubo lang yan dyan, yung Torrenia na yan, and I didn't plant it. So look at this, the color, the yellow color is so striking. Actually, mga kasangkayan, a lot of Portulaca grandiflora has been coming out of the market for the past few months. Pero dito sa aking mini garden, ay yun pa lang talaga yung meron dito. Yung dalawa na nakita nyo kanina. Kasi alam nyo na, naghihintay lang na naman tayo ng libre. So, this plant here, itong may madaming mga blooms, if you could remember, I already featured this in one of my vlogs when I came to an island barangay in the municipality of Salcedo. So this is the plant that nobody or no one cares to grow in their gardens in that barangay. So I forget the name, but the Indian vloggers has already identified this in my blog. So going back to this Portulaca grandiflora, as I have said, this is very easy one. This is a very easy one to grow and to propagate. Kasi as I have said, I had this from cuttings, but look at this, it's already growing well, and I only planted this in a 100% garden soil. Mga kasangkayan, I really wanted to have more varieties of this Portulaca grandiflora in my mini garden. The problem is, I will be leaving again mid of August, and I think I will be away from home for 2 to 3 months, and that's quite long, and that will mean that I will be away from my mini garden and my plants for that very long period of time, at posible na mapabayaan lang na naman to ng mga iiwang ko pansamantala dito sa bahay, at saka baka pagdating ko or pagbalik ko sa bahay ay wala na naman yung iba nating mga plants, and hindi naman pwede na hindi ako umalis because I have to work. So that would be all for now mga kasangkayan and fellow plant lovers and gardeners. Maupay nga kulop haiyo nga tanan.